If you've ever ordered a custom sticker, you probably didn't think about how it was made. You upload a design, pick a size, click order, and a few days later, it shows up. But between that click and that delivery is a process built on precision. This is how custom stickers are made at VulgarCo. It starts with the file. Every design that comes in has to be prepared before it ever touches a printer. That means checking resolution first. A design might look sharp on a phone screen, but printing exposes everything. If the image isn't high enough quality, it won't scale cleanly. Next comes color. Screens produce color using light. Printers produce color using ink. Those systems don't translate perfectly. Without adjusting color profiles, tones can shift. Reds can lose intensity. Blacks can print softer than expected. So we correct for that. Then, we refine the artwork itself. We clean up rough edges, remove stray pixels, smooth curves, make sure fine lines won't break apart when printed. After that, we create what's called a cut path. For die-cut stickers, this means building a precise vector outline around the shape of the design. That outline becomes the exact path the blade will follow later. The smoother and more intentional that path is, the cleaner the final edge will look. Once formatting is complete, the design moves into production. Now it's time to print. We load the selected material into the printer. That could be glossy vinyl, matte vinyl, holographic film, or clear stock. Each material behaves differently. Glossy vinyl reflects more light. Matte vinyl softens reflections. Holographic film contains a metallic pattern beneath the ink. Clear vinyl allows transparency in certain areas. Because of these differences, printer settings are adjusted before every run. Then, the printer begins laying down ink layer by layer. As the sheet feeds through, the artwork gradually appears. Colors build in stages, shadows deepen, highlights sharpen, fine details become visible. Throughout this stage, alignment is monitored closely. Even slight shifts can affect how accurately the design lines up during cutting. When printing is finished, the sheets are allowed to settle. This curing phase allows the ink to bond fully with the vinyl surface. Without proper bonding, prints can scratch or fade more easily over time. Letting the material rest improves durability. After curing, the sheet moves to cutting. The printed material is loaded into a precision cutting machine equipped with a fine blade. Earlier, we added small registration marks to the file. These marks act as positioning guides. The cutter scans them to understand exactly where the artwork is located. Once aligned, the blade begins tracing the cut path we created during formatting. Blade depth is carefully calibrated. The goal is to cut cleanly through the vinyl layer while leaving the backing paper intact. Too shallow, and the sticker won't separate properly. Too deep, and the sheet can be damaged. Pressure and speed are adjusted to maintain smooth curves and sharp corners without tearing. When cutting is complete, the sheet still looks intact. That's when we move to weeding. Weeding is the process of removing the excess vinyl surrounding each design. The negative space is peeled away, revealing the sticker shapes beneath. This is often the first moment the final product becomes visually clear. Once weeded, the stickers can be separated from the backing sheet. Each one is pressed out carefully. Edges are examined. Before packaging, every batch goes through quality control. We check for sharp print clarity, accurate color reproduction, clean and consistent edges, correct quantities. If something doesn't meet our standards, it doesn't move forward. Only approved stickers are packaged, labeled and organized for shipping. From digital formatting to final packaging, every sticker passes through multiple technical stages. File preparation, color correction, material selection, layered printing, precision cutting, weeding, inspection, packaging. On the surface, a sticker is simple. But behind every custom piece is a workflow designed for consistency and accuracy at every step. That's how it's made at VulgarCo, and that's what happens between upload and delivery.